What's up everybody, it's your boy Daniel, and today I'm going to take you through an unboxing and a review of the Common Projects Achilles Low. If you haven't heard of the Achilles Low from Common Projects, I'll let you know that these are minimal white sneakers, which are basically the benchmark against which all white sneakers are held. They roam supreme in the sneaker world, and they're famed across the internet's fashion forums for their sleek silhouette, minimal branding, and above all, the expensive price tag. So, I picked up these from nclothing.com. If you haven't checked out nclothing, I'll leave the link in the description box below. They have a lot of high-end sneakers and clothes, believe it or not. These are one of the cheapest shoes on there, and they cost 452 Australian dollars. So, first thing you'll notice is a bit of inception. It's a box in a box. So once you open up this box, you see the famed Common Projects box. So, as you know, the minimal branding presented here on the box. It's just a plain white box, Common Projects across the top. You've got the size and the shoe and nothing else. There's no other branding on there. So what's in the box? Once you open this sucker up, this is what you'll see. First up, when you buy them from End, you get an envelope from nclothing. This has the return information, a reminder to download the End app and buy more shit. You also get a dust bag, which smells good. The dust bag is like a ball sack for your sneakers. So this is just your everyday dust bag with the Common Projects logo at the bottom. Again, very simple, all white, black print. But the dust bag isn't what you're here to see. You are here to see this. This is introducing the Common Projects Achilles Low. They're a classic white leather sneaker, features solid plain colors, waxed white laces, rubber sole stitching, signature gold detailing on the shoe, and on the inside you'll see Common Projects in a nice gold print. And it also lets you know that it was made in Italy. None of that cheap Bangladesh type shit. Apologies if you're in Bangladesh. It features 100% leather upper and 100% rubber sole. So the design of these shoes, they've got a very slim, smooth silhouette from both top and side, which I believe are similar to the Converse All-Stars, but they feel nothing like that. In terms of the quality, the leather is thick, it's soft, it's supple, like kissing a baby's ass, and it also reeks of quality. In terms of the numbers on the side, people tend to believe that these are just randomly generated numbers, which makes no shoe the same. That's actually a misconception. I'm about to drop the truth on you right now. So these 10 numbers are divided into 3 different sets. They're all stamped in a gold color on the outer heel of each shoe. So each set of numbers corresponds to, the first 4 are the style number, the next 2 is the European size number, and the last 4 digits reference the color. In terms of sizing, these do run large, so I'm normally a European 42 or a 43, whereas in this I had to cop a 41, which is a bit tight, but it still fits me nicely. So enough about the specs of the shoe, here's my opinion. I wore these shoes once. One time, I wore it to work, I didn't wear it out that much. And you can see they're all white sneaker, but they do get dirty quite easy. I wore them around the office, and this is what's happened. There is some creasing, but I think all the creasing, all the light scuff marks, they're going to give this shoe personality. In terms of comfort, it was amazing. Everything was so soft. The tongue on the shoe is very thick, and it holds your feet in well. The back part of the shoe has a suede interior to take care of your Achilles, to ensure that they don't get thrashed. I wore no-show socks, so it was great to have that suede on there to protect my Achilles. I'll show you guys a quick snippet of how it looks on my feet. Check it out. that's a wrap on today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, click the thumbs up button below. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below, click the notification bell so you can stay up to date whenever I drop a new video. See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.